Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 108 of Building the Enterprise-D. In this issue we're going to be mainly continuing with the nacelle. First of all, I've got to put the escape pod hatches onto here, fix the outer piece and the cover onto there, and then fix that onto here. It goes basically the same as the one on the other side did. We're working our way around the edge there. I'll get that done. There's no point in showing you all of that stuff because, you know, it's all stuff you've seen before. So once that's on there, I'll show you what it's like completed when we've finished with this bit. Yeah, then we've obviously got one more panel like that one to do there. But let me clear this out of the way, get that done, and then we'll do the nacelle piece. Okay, there we go. That's that in place, and then the little cover goes over there and locks it in place securely. Stops it from trying to escape. Got that the right way around, don't I? Yes. There we go. So that's it with the saucer section complete for another issue. I shall move this out of the way and then show you what's happening with the nacelle. So the nacelle, exactly the same as last time, but I don't remember doing last time. So there we go. We've got our part from before. First of all, we're putting the end piece on with the little orange piece. That does have direction. If you get it the wrong way around, it doesn't fit in so nicely. So get it the right way around on there like that. Then that goes on to the end like so. And there are 3 BM screws that hold that together. One right on the tip and 2 more along here. And then we need to put the whole thing into this frame, keeping our flashing light in place up the top there. And there are 10 AM screws that hold it in place all the way along and down. So I'll get all of those in place. And then we'll have a final look at this, and we'll have a look through the magazine today on this issue, because I think this is the shortest, quickest build issue. So let's get this together, and I'll show you through the magazine. And there we go. That's that all connected up and plugged in. The little knob is still sticking out the top there, ready to be illuminated, and all nice and secure. So let's have a look at volume 28 of the Next Generation magazine part work thing. So we've got obviously the couple of issues that we've already done. Upcoming, we've got another fairly boring one and then an interesting one. The final part, the is that the final bit of the, it might be the final bit of the saucer section going on, apart from the middle disc. So yeah, that's what we've done. That's what I've just done. That's what's coming up next time, tomorrow, on Building the Enterprise. Yeah, there we go, that's that. Some more nacelle work with the illumination in there. And then finally, putting in first side of that, and prepping the final panel to go in place. I will be putting it in place and see what it looks like, but yeah, not yet. We're looking at Tapestry as the issue, which was 615. Then Birthright Part 1. And Birthright Part 2. I do remember that one. Yeah, the wing, and it was the one where he was trying to get emotions and stuff and dreaming. Birthright Part 2. Starship Mine. Yeah, I remember the title. Vaguely remembering bits from episodes here and there. Good stuff. Lessons. Oh yes, he was playing in the Jeffries tubes and stuff. Yeah, I remember that one. Good. And the Chase 620. Not sure I remember anything about that, but frame of mind. Is that the Riker going crazy thing? Yeah. Riker was sort of losing his mind, but wasn't really. But it was part of a play, but wasn't. And yeah, that was 621. Is that no? We've got 622. This must be the last in season 6. Suspicions. That's that. So it looks like next volume we'll be starting on season 7, the final season, Final Frontier. Right, that's that. That's another issue done. 2 more to go in this part. So I shall see you for the next one, hopefully tomorrow. So stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.